Hi, this is Mona for Thermoweb. Today I am showing you a thank you card tutorial with watercolor background, Decofoil transfer gel and Decofoil frog transfer sheets. I hope you will enjoy this technique and coloring video tutorial. I am starting with the background. I think we need lots of rainbows in these days, so I am going to make rainbow watercoloring on cold press Arteza Expert watercolor paper. I am fixing the paper with purple tape by Thermoweb. This tape is a new edition which has lower stickiness, and for that reason it will not tear the watercolor paper. Now I am going to talk about my watercolor tip. First I am prepping and mixing the chosen colors on my palette. I am doing this because my aim is to keep the watercolor paper wet as long as I can. This way, my watercolor wash will be smoother and it will blend perfectly together. Try to go from the warm to cool shades or backwards in rainbow order like me. Always use 2 glasses of water to keep your watercolor brushes clean. When the watercoloring was done, I removed the purple tape. Next, I run the watercolor background through my die-cut machine with the stitched rectangles dies from Lanfan. I have used the second largest one. Now it's time to break up this rainbow background with the Blanco Decofoil transfer gel through the Moroccan tile stencil with stencil pen. I love to play with different cardstocks and textures, so I thought that the flock texture will be really interesting on the textured watercolor paper. Once it was ready, I gently removed the stencil and cleaned it quickly with water. I let the backgrounds dry for 1 hour and now it's time to create the images. I am using Birdie Brown, Doctor and Nurse images from My Favorite Things. For the coloring, I am using my Copic markers, and because many of you like to watch the coloring process, I included that in my video too. When it was done, I added highlights with white pen. Now it's time to use the white flock transfer sheets on the watercolor background. I warmed up my laminator and placed the flock transfer sheets with flock side down to the dried Deco4 transfer gel. Next, I ran it through my laminator between parchment paper, and when it was done, I gently pulled down the excess. The result is a pretty fluffy Moroccan tiles card background with unique details. Love it! Next, I adhered the card front to the card base with tape runner and put my cards together. I hope you have enjoyed my project for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in a comment. As always, you can find the used supplies below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have an amazing day. Bye.